Jesus blesses you.
We're blessed when we have enough food.
But Jesus said, blessed are those who hunger and thirst after righteousness. These in Matthew chapter 5 are often called Beatitudes, a Jewish form of showing a way of life through which blessing comes. A group of friends of mine used to gather and bless one another in different passages of life. When someone was having a new baby, or they were moving, or there was a special event, or just to show appreciation and love to one another. We would place our hands on the shoulders of our friends and say words of blessing, like the priest's blessing. God bless you in teaching. Let his face shine upon you. This is a powerful and meaningful experience to us. I know another man who gathered with a small house church, and they spent an hour of blessing their children by the example of Jesus, who said, let the children come to me, and those who have children will also be blessed. We too can be blessed by Jesus. And he says in Matthew chapter 18, verse 5, that we should become like children, with Jesus placing his hands on our shoulders and on our heads. So the invitation is for us to be blessed by Jesus, to walk the path of blessing.
So this is the African Pathways Radio. This is broadcast from Madagascar relay towards Africa. So pretty much towards the general direction of here in North America, basically. And so this is far away. It's more than almost 14,000 kilometers away. So received here on the Yaesu FTdx10, and using the V antenna in the backyard as any main antenna. I'm going to do the next video, show you the same signal, but on the Texan H501X on the ML830, so you can compare both videos and see if you have one that is better than the other. So African Pathways Radio on the Yaesu FTdx10.
My name is Greg Taylor. Find us at KSR, 99556 USA. Or email KNO at AOL.com.